Get paid $500 to watch YouTube videos. If you have ever wondered if it's possible to make money by watching videos on YouTube or on television, then this video is for you. It explores the facts behind this, including why it works, how it works, and the different ways it works, as well as a list of sites and services that actually pay you to watch YouTube videos. Today, we will tell you about the best way to get paid $500 to watch YouTube videos. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also, press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us start. Getting paid to watch videos on YouTube or even on television is a common way for people to make money online these days. Many people are familiar with YouTube, but if you are not, it's an online video sharing platform where people make a lot of money. It is owned by Google and has quickly established itself as the go-to video sharing site for both individuals and businesses. Many individuals and businesses use YouTube to promote their goods and services. They make channels for their products/services and boost videos with material that instructs, entertains, or educates viewers. If you are a frequent YouTube viewer, there are legitimate ways for you to earn money simply by watching videos. Before we tell you about how to earn money by watching videos, why not post videos? Internet marketers favor this way of making money from YouTube. Basically, you have merchants advertise their products or services, and you get paid a fee when a sale is made. Your YouTube channel can be used to promote affiliate items. You make a video and have an affiliate connection that takes people to the landing page or the merchant's website. You are paid a fee if sales are made as a result of your efforts. If you set up your channel correctly, you can also make money quickly with affiliate marketing. The methods of earning money from YouTube mentioned above are exclusive to YouTubers who share videos. This is how to make money on YouTube if you really want to. There are YouTubers who make hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, if not millions, simply by uploading videos. It takes a lot of time to get to that level of income, but there is a lot to learn before you can earn that much as a publisher. But it is possible. It can be achieved, as shown by many instances of those who have done so. Now let us talk about how to earn by just watching YouTube videos. There are websites with special incentive systems that allow viewers to earn money online simply by viewing YouTube videos or television shows. They reward you for simply watching and/or performing certain tasks during or after the viewing process. The good news is that the videos do not have to be bland or distracting. They will compensate you simply by watching fun videos. You get charged or rewarded for watching the videos, so it's a win-win scenario. Although some of them pay by providing gift cards, the majority of them pay cash directly to your PayPal account, allowing you to earn money through PayPal. Over 40 million Americans have a side job or other means of supplementing their income. There are many choices available, ranging from affiliate marketing to making things for Etsy to dropshipping goods through Shopify. All of them necessitate a large amount of free time or initial money. Swagbucks helps you to earn money when you are on the go using your phone. When looking for a new side hustle, stay away from Craigslist scams and pyramid schemes. To learn how to do this, you do not need to register for a professional webinar or an online course. Swagbucks is a free digital reward and cashback platform with over $528 million in payouts to its members. Swagbucks users can earn money online by participating in a variety of activities. All you need is a secure internet connection. Who doesn't like watching videos on the internet? So why not make money while watching videos? Swagbucks has a portion of its website devoted to rewarding users for watching video playlists and reviewing the content of other websites, as well as a variety of smartphone applications. If you are dedicated, you can earn around $5 and more a day by watching Swagbucks videos. There are a variety of video types to choose from. Entertainment, food, home and garden, fitness, technology, and travel are amongst them. So if you are looking for a way to earn money while watching entertaining videos, check out the Swagbucks Watch page. Swagbucks Watch is a smartphone app that allows you to earn money while watching videos on the go. Google and Bing make money by displaying advertisements related to the searches. You will gain extra money from everyday tasks like browsing the web if you switch to Swagbucks as your search engine. Of course, they pay you for other items as well, such as taking surveys, browsing the internet, and believe it or not, even shopping online. Swagbucks has paid out over $275 million in cash and free gift cards to its members over the years. Yes, that's right, $275 million. That is just way too much money to ignore them, wouldn't you say? However, this is not $500. Even when you are earning a minimum of $5 a day, you can earn about $150 each month. If you give a lot of time and effort, you can easily double the amount, however. Instead, go for more than one website. Inbox Dollars is another site that has paid out more than $59 million in cash to its members since its inception in 2000. Inbox Dollars is a legal platform that will pay you to watch videos online. With an A rating from Better Business Bureau and several positive reviews on Trustpilot. On Inbox Dollars video page, you can watch a variety of videos in a variety of categories. You will be able to see just how much money you can make before you start watching anywhere from a few cents to even a few dollars. And you will be able to watch as many videos as you want. Inbox Dollars earns money from large corporations that want you to see their stuff. And it splits the profits with you. When you watch more videos, you will have the chance to win virtual scratch-off cards with cash prizes hidden inside. You will be able to cash out through PayPal, pick gift cards, or request a check once you have earned $30 in your account. MyPoints is another who has been around since 1996 and is a rewards destination. The Better Business Bureau has given the company an A+ grade. And Trustpilot has thousands of positive reviews. You can use your MyPoints account to win incentives when shopping, on top of coupon discounts, taking online surveys, and games for points, and of course, watching videos. To earn MyPoints by watching videos, you must complete a video playlist. You can gain points on site using your device or by using the MyPoints mobile app, which is available for both Android and iOS. Watching video playlists will earn you up to 500 points per day. Hence, using these sites and giving your time and effort, you can earn $500 easily and get paid just to watch YouTube videos. That's all for today, folks. Tell us in the comment section which is your way of earning money online. Which website works best for you? See you soon with yet another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching.